Are you hurt? I thought I heard crying.
She who weeps knows her people die.
Do you mean the monks of the temple?
For all of Tempest, her tears fall. They came and my people died. The lucky died, the rest.
How did you escape the armies of the warlord?
The divine consciousness cannot die, but Tempest herself bleeds. If he cannot be stopped, what will happen? The evil of it.
Yes. What evil is it allowed the warlord to win again?
A darkness falls from the heavens, an evil to kill mortals at a touch. I see a journey, a trail across a fiery chasm.
That must be the scar. Do you see a safe way across?
Roots weaken, limbs cannot stretch. The elder spirit grows afraid.
Meaning no disrespect, but what?
The oracle has said too much already.
I once heard a riddle. It spoke of the tears of the weeping moon. Might those of the oracle be one and the same?
Perhaps, though I know not the riddle, nor how you might collect such tears. What container can hold the weeping of the moon?
You seem in no danger, so I'll take my leave of you, my lady.
The plan of the lady holds hope if only one of the five survives.
Okay. We seem to have collected our tears here. Cipher containing blessed tears of the weeping moon. I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but I guess that's good that we got some of that, or something. I guess that's why we came up here. Oh, let's go in this other portal. What's over here? I want to get there. Up this way. Okay, let's try this portal this time. Nope. I have absolutely no idea what's in here. Or how to get there. Funky. That's a plus hit point zone. It's kind of cool. I guess we're done or something. Honestly, I have no idea where to go next. So, let's grab our stuff and head on over to the City of the Dead, I guess, since that's the only place I know where to go next. That was close. Okay, let's grab all our stuff. Except for that stuff. And our bag of rocks, which is up this way. Ow. Yeah, you got me, Boulder. You got me. Okay, where's the City of the Dead? Over here. God damn it. Very, very annoying. Okay. This way? No. This way. And whoa, that opened something. Gold talents. More money. What are these things? Healing. Magic. Oh, that was pretty nice. Okay, off to the City of the Dead. First of all, put our Tears of the Weeping Moon away. And our money. The heck? Okay. Okay, somebody just tried to shoot me with an arrow.
Here nobles, the known and the knowing, take their final rest, yet hear their legends ever grow.
Oh, that's cheap. The guy could just sit back there shooting me while I was. Whoa, what the hell? That's a bit scary. Can't seem to hit these guys. Ivory Lion Key. Very, very cheap game. Not cool to just have a guy shoot me with an arrow while I was trying to listen to that magic mouth. Not amused. But I'm taking care of him. Okay, I don't like that these guys have ranged attacks. also very, very difficult to kill. Oh my god. Luckily I can heal myself to full in like one shot here. Or 2 shots.